Hey everybody, Al Aramis with another series of Pro Knows. Customers, brakes, brake rotors, brake shimmy, brake noise, all the crazy stuff with brakes. A lot of people don't even know what all these things are or what they're called. Well, here's a brake rotor. The brake rotor's on your vehicle. This is a used one. As you can see, it's pretty dark. It's gotten pretty hot, as all brakes do. And it's got a little bit of rust buildup. It's old. It's been used. These are now here the brake pads that actually work on these brake rotors. These are the parts that wear out. These are called brake shoes. Well, I want to also show you this is what the new ones look like. These are the pads that would go to replace those. High quality parts are going to last you the longest, brake better, and not have the noise that customers hate and complain about. Brake rotors. Here's the replacement rotor for that vehicle. As you can see, this is nice and shiny and silver, not quite discolored like this other one. Brakes are an essential part of vehicle safety. Make sure you have them checked. Make sure you maintain them. Make sure you use high quality parts. Be proactive in your brake repair.